Hello dear students and viewers. Today I have published a new video for the students, those who are staying at home and do not have the chance to go to schools and colleges. As a result, they are suffering from mental depression. I want to help them. Especially today I am going to discuss narration, direct speech, indirect speech. If you wish, you can visit my YouTube channel, K Mondol YouTube channel, which I have published for you. It is published relating English grammar, narration, direct speech, indirect speech. Let us discuss direct speech. The teacher said to the students, "What do you want to do during the period of COVID-19? Interrogative sentence. So, said to will be changed into asked. The teacher asked the students, what will be what, because it is interrogative pronoun will not be changed. What? You second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the students. So there will be they within bracket students. Want, do you want, present indefinite tense will be past indefinite tense. So wanted, do will be omitted because in respect of interrogative sentence, do auxiliary verb will be omitted because the sentence will be assertive sentence. So we need not auxiliary verb. Only main verb will be changed into past tense. So they students wanted to do during the period of COVID-19. The teacher asked the student what they wanted to do during the period of COVID-19. Okay. Next number. Direct speech. The boy said to us, "Let me sing a song." Let refers to request, so said to will be changed into told or requested, and let will be might be allowed to. Okay. What will be? The boy said to us, "Let me sing a song." Let will be changed into might be allowed to. So what will be? The boy said to us, "Let sing a song." Now it will be the boy requested or told us that he might be allowed to sing a song. Then now will be then, and let will be might be allowed to because let refers to request. Okay. If let refers to request, it will be might be allowed to, and if let refers to proposal or propose, it will be changed into should. The boy said to us, "Let me sing a song." The boy requested or told us that he might be allowed to sing a song. Then now will be then. We know that if the reporting verb is past tense, the reported speech will be correspondent past tense, and the nearest word will be the farthest word. Now, then, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, here, there, this, that, etc. Next, number 3. The boatman said to the man, "You don't know how to swim, so your life is absolutely false." The boatman told the man that he did not know how to swim, so his life was not is. Life was absolutely false. The boatman said to the man, it is assertive sentence and said to past tense. Reported speech will be correspondent past tense. So the boatman told the man that he did not know, don't know will be did not know how to swim, so his life was absolutely false. Your life, your second person will be changed according to the object of reporting verb, the man. You will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Your life will be changed according to object of reporting verb. You, nominative case subject, so there will be he within bracket man, and your life possessive case, it will be his life. His refers to man, his life. Is will be was, we know correspondent past tense, was absolutely false. Again, the boatman said to the man, you don't know how to swim, so your life is absolutely false. The boatman told the man that he did not know how to swim, so his life was absolutely false. So his life was absolutely false. Next, number 4, direct speech. Nawab Shazdoula said to Mirzapur, history will not forgive you. Nawab Shazdoula said to Mirzapur that history would not forgive him, within bracket Mirzapur. It is assertive sentence, so there will be conjunction that, and it will be changed as per rule of changing direct speech into indirect speech. Will would be would, because will future tense, it indicates the correspondent past tense will would. She said God is almighty. It is universal truth, so the inner portion will not be changed. There is a mistake. I am going to correct it. Direct speech. Okay. She said God is almighty. It is universal truth. We must know if the sentence is universal truth, there will be only that as conjunction, and the reported speech will not be changed. She said that God is almighty. There will be no is was, because it is universal truth. If it is universal truth, historical truth, habitual fact, the inner portion or the inverted comma, the reported speech will, within inverted comma, the reported speech will not be changed. You must remember that within inverted comma, this portion is called reported speech and this portion is called reporting verb. Said reporting verb, within inverted comma, it is called reported speech. So there will be only conjunction that will be added here. She said that God is almighty. So dear students and viewers, you all are requested to subscribe my channel so that I can publish my next video, and you are also advised to press the bell icon so that by next video you can easily watch and share my video. Your friends, classmates and relatives will be benefited by reading, hearing and watching my video. I want to advise you, I want to request you, during this pandemic period, national and international crisis, stay at home and protect yourselves and keep yourself neat and clean. I wish you every success in life. May God bless you. No more today. Thank you all.